Hi everybody, and thanks for dropping by. So today I want to take a couple minutes to talk about Google Plus. Yeah, I love it. I, um, I've been cynical. I've dug into it. Before leaving on vacation the week before last, it took some time. I took Chris Brogan's webinar. I learned a lot of stuff I thought was very valuable, and yes, it was worth it. And also, there's been tons and tons of blog posts about Google Plus. The big issue I had, and it's the same as many people have been saying, is that, do we really need another platform? And my answer to that is, yeah, it can be overwhelming, but if that platform is better and it's going to be easier to use and accomplish all the things you're doing with different platforms, then I think it's a great idea. And just to go ahead, give it a try. I find it very user friendly. It's very intuitive. It takes the best of Facebook and Twitter and sort of puts them together. For instance, like Twitter, if you want to send a direct message, in the status update, all you do is like put the @ sign, or in Google's case, the plus sign, and the name of the person you want to communicate with, and that's it. It's a direct message. The other thing you can do is put that person in his own circle, which is kind of lonely, and I don't suppose you shouldn't do that. But if you want to just talk to that person, you can do that, because that's the whole thing about Google Plus. And one of the things I love the most is the whole circle thing. You're totally in control of who you want to share with, who you want to share photos with, videos with, whatever, and you do that on each post. So every time you post something, you can direct it to your personal friends, your business friends, your social media friends, whatever, your bridal party, whatever you want to do with those circles, you can do. I mean, I think a great idea that came from Chris, which I can see a business application for, is starting a project, and say you want to just include certain people in that project, get their feedback, exchange ideas and all that, and that circle would be called that project, for instance. Anyway, there's lots of great ideas. There's lots of things to discover with it. So I invite any of my friends, or any of you, first of all, to join me on Google Plus. If you look on top of my website, there's a tab that says Google Plus on it. If you click that, they'll take you to my Google Plus profile and add me to your circle, because I'm getting kind of lonely in mine. Not many people here. So yeah, so do that. And if you don't have a Google Plus account, just send me your email. If you don't have a Gmail account, create one. It's really, really easy, and I'll be happy to send you an invitation, and then we can sort of hang out on Google Plus. And hanging out is kind of cool, as I hear, because I haven't had the experience yet, because none of my friends are on Google Plus yet. But the hangout is where you can do a video chat with up to 10 people at the same time. That sounds like fun. So anyway, just that's all I want to say about Google Plus. I'll be learning a lot more about it. I'm going to be using it a lot more. I invite everybody to join me on Google Plus, and I'm going to write a couple tips below on some of the things that I find really, really advantageous about it. So have a great weekend, everybody, and leave me a comment or question. Get in touch with me if you have any questions about Google Plus, and we'll learn together. Take care. Thanks for dropping by.